Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to set up your first virtual machine in your PC. So first of all guys, go ahead and open your browser and then search for this page, which is get a Windows 10 development environment download virtual machine. So here it is, the website developer.microsoft.com, and you can just go to virtual machines and download it from there. So here guys, what I'm going to do is choose VirtualBox and then wait until the box is fully loaded. As you can see, it is heavily for your PC. It can take like too much time to be downloaded, but as you can see, here it is. It will take about 30 seconds to be downloaded. So basically what you need to do is pretty simple. When you are done with that, is just click on the next button to actually install it. And just like so, you will have to go to your Microsoft account. So here we go. And here guys, we have to create an account. So just sign in. So click on sign in. As you can see, I have signed into my account. For you guys, you can just go to sign out, or let me just try to sign in to another account, which is pretty simple guys. Let me just create, for example, an internet window and then go to Microsoft. So here we go. Here I'm supposed to create an account. So Microsoft English, and here we go. Here what I'm going to do is pretty simple. Click on sign in and they will take me to the page. So I will create a new account. Here you put whatever mail you want. So here it is, and here I will click on get new mail address. So here we go, and click on next. After that, just put any password you'd like to put over here. Here we go, and click on next. First name, last name. It's pretty simple, then the name, etc. And finally, when you're finished with that, all you need to do is connect to the virtual machine that you are actually installing, which is this one. So it will not take that long for you. So when it's fully installed, just login into it and it will launch in the Windows 11. So it will still be a virtual machine, but it will still use your configuration. So for example, if you have 8 gigabytes of RAM, it will use like 2 gigabytes of your RAM, so it might be slow. So I highly request you guys to go to your PC species. So let's go here, for example, here we go, and check your PC specific pieces. So go to properties and check what you have in your PC. For example, I have 32 gigabytes of RAM, so it will probably take around 18 to 16 gigabytes of RAM, and it may take like 2 threads of my CPU to use. So how you can also know your threads, you can go to task manager, go to here, start, I think, performance, and from CPU here you will know how much threads you have. So I have here 12, and as you can see, it will take a lot, around 2 or 3 of my threads, so the system can run in the virtual machine. So hey guys, that's basically it. That's how you can set up your virtual machine in your PC. You just have to go to Microsoft virtual machine, download the VirtualBox, and from there just connect your account and launch it. So hey guys, thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.